Fighter Jet 111 is a breathtaking example of modern aviation engineering and military might, captivating viewers with its speed, precision, and advanced capabilities. In this YouTube video, audiences are treated to an immersive experience that showcases the incredible power and agility of this next-generation aircraft. Whether you are a military enthusiast, an aviation fan, or simply curious about cutting-edge technology, this video brings you closer than ever to the action. From the very first frame, the video delivers high-definition visuals of Fighter Jet 111 taking off from a high-security airbase. The roar of the twin engines shakes the runway as the aircraft ascends with unmatched power. The cockpit view provides an intimate look at the pilot's perspective, revealing the complex instrumentation and technology used to control the jet at high speeds. Every dial, switch, and display serves a specific purpose, working in harmony to help the pilot manage the jet in extreme conditions. The video moves seamlessly between ground footage, in-air maneuvers, and onboard camera angles. Viewers witness Fighter Jet 111 executing tight barrel rolls, vertical climbs, and supersonic passes that slice through the clouds. The jet's afterburners leave a blazing trail across the sky, a visual reminder of the raw force it commands. This is not just a demonstration of speed, but also a display of precision. The fighter jet's control surfaces move in perfect coordination to maintain balance and maneuverability even at extreme angles and g-forces. Throughout the video, key specifications of Fighter Jet 111 are highlighted. It boasts a maximum speed exceeding Mach 2, stealth capabilities that allow it to avoid radar detection, and an advanced radar and targeting system that locks onto enemy threats in seconds. Its frame is constructed with composite materials, making it lighter yet stronger than many older jets. Armed with air-to-air missiles, laser-guided bombs, and electronic warfare tools, Fighter Jet 111 is built for dominance in both offensive and defensive operations. The pilot, often an elite Air Force officer with years of specialized training, is seen performing high-stress maneuvers with steady hands and calm precision. The video emphasizes the rigorous preparation behind each mission, from pre-flight checks to real-time communication with command units. This glimpse into the life of a fighter pilot adds a human dimension to the machine's mechanical power. Beyond the technical marvels, the video also explores the role of Fighter Jet 111 in modern defense strategies. With rising global tensions and technological arms races, jets like these play a crucial role in maintaining national security and peacekeeping efforts. Their presence alone acts as a deterrent, and their performance in the air is a symbol of technological superiority. For viewers who appreciate the fusion of technology, skill, and visual excitement, this video on Fighter Jet 111 offers an unforgettable journey. It educates, entertains, and inspires admiration for the brave individuals who fly these machines and the engineering teams behind them.